In this film, I will show you when I'm working with the Balayage Bleach from Maria Nila Bleach Collection. I will paint an open-air balayage on curls to achieve an amazing new hair color on my model today. My mission today is to reach a light results on the curls of my model, so I'll be focusing on the lengths. I'm going to keep her natural color in the roots to avoid an outgrowth. I'm choosing the Balayage Bleach since I will be doing an open-air balayage. The formula is thicker than silver bleach and will create a dry layer around each section, which I need to not get any stains on the rest of the hair. I'm mixing the powder 1+2 together with our developer. I'll start by going through the hair to decide which areas I'm going to paint and what curls I want to highlight. I'm sectioning the hair in 5 bigger sections to help me keep track on where I'll paint during the process, and sectioning up the hair diagonal. I'm placing a large amount of product on the middle of my section, then distributing the bleach upwards. Notice how I'm feathering the product towards the roots. In the rest of the section, there is an even amount of product. This will create an even lift without any harsh lines. I'm moving through the back of the head with diagonal partings to create depth and dimension. In the apex area, I will move over to horizontal sections to have full control of the top layer of the hair and where I want to highlight the curls. At the front of the head, I will paint just like a sun. Imagine sun strays. I'm stretching the hair back from the face and painting both highs and lows on the curls. I'm leaving some depth to make sure that the highlighted curls around her face really pops. In her parting, I will alternate with teased sections to assure that there is no harsh lines and that her outgrowth will be natural. I'm always adjusting the processing time due to what type of hair and technique I have used. Don't be afraid when the formula is drying. It's supposed to do that to protect the rest of the hair from stains. I'm checking in on my model to make sure to rinse when the bleach is ready. When the process is done, I'll rinse the bleach and if wanted, use a toner after to achieve the shade I want. I'm finishing off with the silver shot to lower the pH and, of course, to add moisture and shine. The result is exactly what we were aiming for. A nice contrast to her natural color, but still something new and exciting.